You guys, I haven't been feeling my hair lately. I don't even understand what's going on here. I have been craving the relaxed hair look for a while, but I had to remind myself that when I used to have relaxed hair, I used to enjoy it like maximum 1 week, okay, because my scalp used to burn, so it would take me like 2 weeks for the scalp to heal. That after relaxing, take me like 2 weeks for the scalp to heal, and then I'll just enjoy the hair for like 1 more week before I start getting undergrowth and the hair starts, the two textures starts, fighting each other. Anyway, so I just told myself, you know what, relaxer is not for you, okay? Just try and grow your natural hair and enjoy it. But right now, I am not enjoying it, okay? Like, I'm not enjoying it. So while I try to grow my hair and get some length, I want to just feel good about myself today, okay? I have wigs, right? But most of the wigs that I have are not this weather friendly, okay, because the heat in Lagos right now is so much. But I have this wig that is the best of both worlds, okay? So I'm going to be installing this wig. It is a bob wig and it is from Nadula Hair. But one thing I like about this wig is that, first of all, it is short. It is Yaki, the texture is Yaki, and it is also a bob wig. So I'm going to transform myself from, looking like this to looking like this, okay? If you want to see how I do that transformation, just keep watching. I have a few errands to run today, so this hair is going to be coming in handy because it has a mesh cap. Even the lace is quite light. It has a mesh cap, and like I said, the weather is really, really hot. It also has this elastic band as well as this drawstring. So for me, that I'm going to be all over the place today, I need this extra security, and also, again, it has silicone tabs here. So anyway, let me just get into installing it. I really don't have much time. I'm going to just put a little bit of product on the lace, so just on the edge of the lace. This is going to be a quick install. I want to just show you guys how I make this thing blend well. You don't need to just take product and put all over the lace because the lace has been bleached, and once the lace has been bleached, it's supposed to give scalp. I'm also going to my kids' school. I'm going to be all over the place today, so I want to look good so I can feel good. Whenever I feel good, I'm more inclined to do more things. I'm more inclined to go more places, achieve more things. You guys know me and how much I love Yaki texture. Like, I'm just putting my fingers through and it feels so good. For this hot weather, this is the best texture for you. The length as well is just everything, okay? I don't want anything disturbing me here. Are you seeing that lace? Are you seeing, well, it doesn't even look like lace, but are you seeing that hairline? It's giving everything I want it to give, because as much as I want to, look good, I don't want to look too dressed up. That's why I didn't even do my lashes. Let me just say this again, okay? The texture of this hair is 10 over 10, okay? The texture is just amazing. So lightweight, I can almost forget that this is not my hair, and it's quite secure, okay, because it has the mesh cap that's quite stretchy. I put the elastic band. I also put I love it. Anyway, I'm supposed to be out the door already, okay, so let's just go. You guys, can you see how hot this sun is? Like, the hair is so airy and breezy. Feels good. If this was another wig, it would have been. In fact, I would have yanked it off at some point, but yeah, it feels good, looks good, feels like my hair. Even my assistant said the hair is nice, and I was like, I know. I'm still at my first errand for the day. We want to sell one of my laptops, so the person that is buying it is meeting with my assistant, so I'm just waiting for them in the car. Still liking my hair. She initially wanted to come and do it herself, let me go about my other errands, but I was like, no, please, oh, I know trust all this selling on GG, selling to strangers. So we're in a public space, we're in a supermarket, but I am in a car, just, you know, keeping an eye out. I'm sure you've seen me staring there, just keeping an eye out and watching, just to be sure that, you know, everything goes well. We're here to get mattresses. The sun is on another level. Hello. I think that's fine for now. That's my back. It's covering my back. That one for mango. Yeah. See another one. I want this one. I haven't said hi to him, but I didn't. Fix my kids, done for my errands today. I need to just go and chillax. So you guys, I really like this hair. I really like how easy breezy and comfortable it is. If you want this wig, I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box. It's very natural looking, like very, I think it's me that is on my head. Sometimes it just feels like I blow dried my hair or I straightened my hair. Look at that hairline. It's giving scalp. Okay, it's giving scalp, and this hair is very, very, very snug. Can you see it? Can you see how I'm pulling it? It's very, very snug. It's not going anywhere, even though it is glueless. You guys know it's glueless now, so it's glueless. Yeah, it's glueless, but it's giving. Okay, it's glueless but really pretty. Anyway, yeah, it's from Nadula hair. The link is in the description box. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.